Jai Hind, everyone. The very first question that comes in the mind of freshers is how to begin story writing, how to write effective stories in PPDT and TAT. So today's video will be going to be based on that only, in which I will be telling you some tips and tricks for the beginners that how you all can start your preparation for story writing. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Shivani Bhargav. I've been recommended 4 times, and I was AIR 36 for CDS 2023. So, for freshers, this video is particularly for freshers and to all those who are repeaters and struggling in writing good stories, effective stories. First of all, what you all have to do whenever you see any picture, just observe the picture very carefully. The first task should be to observe the picture very carefully and quickly. You have to notice few things. First is how many characters are there. First, you have to notice the characters. Then, what expressions they have, their expressions, their mood. Third, what kind of dress or attire these people are carrying. Fourth, what is the background. Fifth, what is the association of those characters among themselves, like what action they are doing, or what you can perceive what action they are doing. So you have to observe the picture and you have to figure out these 4 5 elements, what is happening in the picture. Okay, then the story writing should be, your story should be based on based after relating all these elements. Okay, आपको उनके जो background है, the attire and the situation and the mood and expressions, you have to frame the story around that. ठीक है, don't take your story to some other theme or don't take your story to some other angle. You have to revolve your story in this line only. This is first thing. Second, now those who are completely freshers and they don't know that what to write, how to begin the story writing, in that case what you can do, just from Google, just search for some sample stories, 4 5 sample stories you can read. In that you will get the idea that okay, what is to be done. But let me aware you for this, whenever you are reading some sample stories from somewhere, it should be only just to get the idea. Okay, what is to be written, how is to be written, but don't copy these stories exactly. You have to write your own stories, you have to frame your own stories. And the crux that you can bring is by writing your real life experiences. Okay, because in SSB psychology, the psychologist is looking for your personality. So what you can do best is just write stories in which you are writing your emotions, your expressions, and you are assuming that the hero in the picture is you, and these are the actions that you have taken. Okay, and you will take. And so how you can do it effectively is write the story according to your own experiences, whatever past experiences you have faced, and in which you have done something heroic or you have done things which were good, and which in which some OLQs are coming out, so you can write stories according to that. But again, it should be relevant with the picture. Okay, now third, how you will evaluate your stories is, jo there's a set of 15 OLQs. Okay, so write your story, read your story. Okay, then after that just relate with the OLQs. How many OLQs are coming out from your stories? Because ultimately you will get marks based on the OLQs. Okay. Moreover, uh, make your hero as free, confident, bold, and brave person who is taking risk, calculated risk, doing something for others, okay, doing things for society, and is a good person by heart. Okay, and connecting with people. Okay, he is not self-centered person, and he is always looking towards the other person. ठीक है, एक ग्रुप फैक्टर निकालिए और स्टोरीज में जो निचोड़ होगा वो होगा initiative, if the person is taking right initiatives, and also if the person is showing sense of responsibility. So if these two core OLQs, if you can show in your picture, in your story, so all other OLQs will be automatically there. Okay. And whenever you are writing the story, just be confident in your mindset. Be confident in your approach. Then only in your stories that confidence will be reflected. Okay. and do a lot of practice and just make a list of your own experiences, try to write them in the stories, and sometimes try to frame new stories also according to the problem or according to the picture. Okay. And don't be fearful about writing the stories. It's always that you have to make your hero as the hero, actually hero of the picture. Okay. And do some good things for the society and around you, around your surroundings. Okay. So that will reflect your personality. Okay. Thank you.